Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a timer on Thunkable. First, open a new project and add a label component to show the time. Next, add a button component to start or stop your timer. Finally, drag a timer component from the Components panel onto your screen. This sets up the basic elements for our timer. Now, let's configure the timer component. Select the timer and set its interval property to 1000 milliseconds for a 1-second update. Make sure the loops property is set to true so the timer repeats. Initially, set the enabled property to false. We'll turn it on with our button. This ensures the timer doesn't start immediately. Next, we'll add the code blocks. Create a variable to store the elapsed time, starting at 0. When the timer fires, increment this variable by 1. Then, update the text of your label component to display the current value of the time variable. You can format this to show seconds or minutes in seconds. Finally, let's control the timer with our button. When the button is clicked, toggle the timer's enabled property. You can also change the button's text to start versus stop based on the timer's state. Consider adding a reset function that sets the time variable back to 0 and updates the label. This provides full control over your timer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.